Hey guys, I'm Lisa Mackay with Royal LePage. Welcome to Lasqueti Island and my Elderberry Lane listing. Elderberry Lane is just over 11 acres and predominantly southwest facing. So out front we get a beautiful view of the Georgia Strait and Vancouver Island. The house is just over 950 square foot. It's a west coast build, open concept, powered by solar with a beautiful solarium off the east side. Enjoy the tour. Hey guys, so here we are in the second level of the property. Behind me is this nice little area. It's all fenced, so protected from the deer, and it's great to plant your fall garden, your spring garden, your summer garden. Irrigates from the top of the hill there. And just over here there's a little workshop which you can do whatever you want. You can tinker, you could woodwork, you could play music, whatever your heart desires, as well as a nice covered carport. So let's check out the lower level. Follow me. Hey guys, so here we are at the first level of the property on Elderberry Lane. We've got a nice little pond down here, and behind the pond we've got some fruit trees, we've got some apple trees, plum trees, pear trees, and just beyond the orchard on that little bluff right there, there's an amazing view of Mount Arrowsmith. Really sweet view, nice sunny spot. You're gonna get sun all winter long here.